All right, today I wanted to do a quick video on the CT Sounds universal remote bass knob with voltmeter. You can see it right now, it's off. I have power to the amp and push the potentiometer in, one push, and it's on. There's the amp on. The voltage 14.3, I'm 14.28, that's pretty close. It's adjustable. There's a little potentiometer inside there to dial it in with your voltmeter, make sure it's right. And there's the back of the packaging that shows you what goes where, color codes and what have you. So we're going to play a little music and see how that gain control functions. So it really, this gain doesn't start coming on until about 10 o'clock. Seemed to me at 12 o'clock was about 50%. Then about 2 o'clock was 75%. And 4 o'clock is, whatever, 4 or 5 o'clock, wide open. So your adjustment range, and a lot of those are like this because they, for what I guess they save 10 cents on a potentiometer or something, but that's your range of adjustment. Usually between 10 o'clock is going to be barely, somewhere around 1 o'clock will be half, and 5 o'clock will be wide open. But it is kind of neat. You got your voltmeter and you've got the push button on and off. There's a couple other companies that make these. I know NVX does, probably a few others. There's some custom made ones. You see them floating around, $80, something like that. This one I think is either $39 or $49, I can't remember. But I think there's some out there that are about $40 versus your basic bass knob, LOC, not LOC, but you know what I'm saying, bass knob, RCA bass knob. You can get those as little as $12 on Amazon, and they work fine. So, matter of fact, let me see if I've got one here that's handy. You'd think I would have that already out. So hang on. All right, it took a little digging. I didn't realize I had it buried that far, but this is a Access. I got that on Amazon. Universal level controller. I don't know if they still sell that, but I used one of these and it's still in use for over a year in the work truck, and it's been fine. And pretty linear, as much as this one or better. But anyway, that's it. CT Sounds universal bass knob. Have a good day.